Hey, Perry Jeffries here, the entrepreneur CFO. Let's talk about one of your largest expenses, your tax bill. So whether you're a small business owner or you're a retired person looking to retire, your tax bill will be one of your largest expenses. That's one of the things that we handle and take care of in our PASS program, our Profit Accelerator Small Business System. We actually build in the system that allows you to pay your taxes in full throughout the course of the year. So you don't have to worry about having to write a check at the beginning of the year when it's time to do your taxes. That gives you peace of mind. And that's what we offer to our clients with an almost 100% success rate in helping clients alleviate that burden. So if you want to learn more, feel free to reach out to me, schedule a consultation so you can learn more about our PASS program and how we help you handle that tax bill. Talk to you soon.